Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole.
It's so cold outside, and I refuse to be out there shaking like a chihuahua.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it.
Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. It is Kaya here, or Kay Truly, whatever you want to call me. In today's video, we are going to be doing another Balenciaga track unboxing. If you guys haven't seen my first one, go check out my first one. Today we are doing the black colorway, and if you're new to my channel, I do so many videos just like this, stylings and shoe unboxings in one, so definitely go check out my playlist. Got a huge variety of shoe reviews, and also let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a 2022 sneaker collection. I've been thinking about it, and my sneaker collection is getting pretty big. Soon I'm going to clear out and get rid of some shoes. Why not? If you guys want to see that, then definitely let me know in the comments. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. But before we do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and yeah, let's get into it. Here's the box. It came so messed up. Oh my gosh, I don't know why, like lately my boxes have been coming so messed up. I got these in a size 39 European, which is equivalent to 8.5, 9 US. I think it's safe to say that I am a size 40 European, so if I show you guys any designer shoes, more than likely it would be a size 40 or 39 in between. So here are the shoes. As you can see, they just have that gear look when you look down, which definitely made me drawn to the shoes. I don't know, I just love that part about the shoes. So first of all, thank you so much to artemisyeezy. Thank you guys for sending me these shoes today. All their information will be listed in the description box and screen. If I have a discount code, I will leave that on the screen for you guys. As I was saying about these shoes, they are just matte black. I just really like this monochromatic look. The matte black on black. These are definitely way more wearable than my other Balenciagas, because that colorway is just super out there, and I'm just not a like material girl on a regular basis. So like me walking around in some nude Balenciagas, people would be like, what the heck? But these, like, they're just more like, you know, low-key and like not so out there. So I would definitely wear these a lot more often. A lot of black on black looks with these for sure. On the inside of the shoe, it just says Balenciaga. On the sole of the shoe, it says Balenciaga, and I love this sole. It's so cute to me. I haven't worn these yet. I tried them on. They're super comfortable. And one thing about these shoes I noticed, there's not really much else that I have to say about these shoes. They came with a Balenciaga duster bag. I'll probably be using this for the shoes because I don't think I'm going to be keeping the shoe boxes, with an extra pair of laces, certificate. So we're going to get into the next part of the video. Next 3 or 4 days, I will try to style these every day, because I feel like I said, these are a lot more wearable. So if I come back looking crazy, just know it's another day. I probably won't have makeup on. I probably will some days. I probably most likely won't. Let's get into tomorrow's look. Can't wait to see how future KS styles these shoes.
Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and niggas trying to take my life away.
Okay, so here is outfit number 1, day one. I'm in a bit of a rush right now, you guys. I gotta go to work, and I have to run some errands before I go to work. I'm mad late, so yeah. Anyway, so my top, my sweater, so I'm wearing a zip-up hoodie. We're going for all black look for today. This zip-up hoodie is from Shein. Literally everything that I'm wearing is from Shein. And then of course the Balenciagas. And I'm gonna be wearing my tote bag because I have to go to the mall and return a few things and also get some gifts. Yeah, this is just a cute little look. I like the black on black look with these shoes, so here they are. So I will see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's look. Hopefully I'm not in so much of a rush tomorrow.
I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. Have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men.
So it's day 2. I'm not gonna really show my face a lot because I'm not wearing any makeup and I look super crusty right now. I just threw this on. Sweaters from Shein. Top, I have no idea where it's from. My leggings are from TNA Aritzia. And then, of course, you know what we're wearing on the foot. And then the bag is from Shein as well. These shoes are super wearable, like I said, because of how like not flashy and out there they are. So these are definitely everyday shoes. That's why I've been styling them like everyday fits. Nothing too crazy, just casual, you know. Don't mind my hair, it looks super greasy. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. And I'm probably just gonna put on my regular winter jacket and that's it. We'll see you guys tomorrow for outfit number 3.
Every night I talk to God, but he don't say nothing back. I know he protecting me, but I still stay with my gat and my nightmares. Niggas keep pulling good check me. Psych said some bitch done put her hands on me. The fear didn't know much.
I look like shit today. I'm in a rush. I'm extremely tired. I woke up late. So I threw on some cargos and a thermal. And I have leggings underneath this because it's freezing outside. And I have on a black sweater from Shein. This is from Shein. This top is from Brandy Melville, like so long ago. These are from Garage. My jacket, you know where it's from. My bag, you know where it's from. I'm about to go to work. And I look like a fucking asshole. Literal asshole. I mean, it'll look cuter when I zip up. It'll look cuter when I zip up my jacket. Let me do that. I mean, that's the whole point, right? I only put on the thermal just because it's so cold outside and I refuse to be out there shaking like a chihuahua. Oh yeah, yesterday, because I was in such a rush, I forgot to mention that these shoes needed some breaking in. 100%, because I literally wore them the whole day. And after like, I think maybe 4 or 5 hours, I was like, okay, holy shit, my feet are killing me. Maybe I should wear a different bag. And my freaking elastic in my jacket broke, so I look so dumb. Man, that's so annoying. Oh, whatever. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3. Hopefully tomorrow's outfit is a little bit better. It probably won't be, because I'm on my casual vibe shit. Like, I'm going to work and I'm in a rush, so yeah. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow.
Don't put me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' by money, bait. Sit back and roll a whole eighth. Smoking that shit to the face. I call a cool different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slum of the day.
I can't remember what day this is, but it's Monday. And this is the last and final outfit. So for today, I'm wearing this Zara top and then these Levi jeans and of course the Balenciagas. I'm not sure what bag, or I think I'm gonna wear this bag. I think I'm gonna wear this bag and my black puffer. I'm just going to work today, so it's nothing serious. I usually work on the weekends, so that's why my outfits have been kind of chill. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out artemisyeezy's. All their information will be in the description box. Like I said, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.